I think I learned a lot during this real, conversations and communication. It was great for me. Thank you. I think it's a good opportunity to experience this real condition in team coaching. It's not just a class that I should learn some tactics and, memorize them and, maybe try them in other ways. But I really tried them and I found them that some of them work better for me. I think I'm now more, sensible about my strength and try to be sensible about other people's strengths when I communicate with them. We had our new manager during last 2 weeks, and for our first communication, I tried to find his strength. I try to guess who is he, what is his strength, and try to communicate with him according his strength. I think it's a good point for me to communicate with people better, and as I find their strength, can convince them as my manager. I think it's a good point for me. It's a valuable course that if somebody wants to be familiar with team coaching and pure team coaching, they can select this course, and it's related to our values and strength, so it doesn't have the expiry date. It's it has so powerful roots within us, so it's very effective.